Hi everyone. Every store has to discontinue products from time to time. It can happen because the article is no longer being produced, or is no longer available in the market. In a large store, this process can turn long and messy if performed manually. But don't worry. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to easily discontinue products, adding a message to both their title and description, thus alerting customers about the discontinued item. To do this, you're going to need the WP Sheet Editor plugin for WooCommerce, and a few spare minutes. You can grab the plugin from the link in the description of this video. Once you open the plugin, you will see this spreadsheet containing all the products available in your store. Let's start by removing the existing stock from the product, if we have any left. Let's open the search tool here. You can use these fields to find any products, based on their vendor, their categories, or even variations. For this tutorial, I'm going to use the keyword filter to discontinue all the t-shirts from my store. Once the filter is applied, all the items we were looking for will be displayed in the spreadsheet. If you just want to discontinue random items from the main list, you can skip the search tool filters, and just click on the checkbox next to the product title to select it. Once you're done filtering or manually selecting your products, move to the bulk edit tool. Select to update the current search. Enter stock as the field to be edited. Select set value from this menu. And in this box, input 0. This way, we are going to remove the existing stock from the products. Click execute now to apply the changes. All the values in the stock column were successfully replaced by 0. Our next step will be to add a message for our customers in the product title, just in case someone is interested in purchasing the now discontinued item. Let's head for the bulk edit tool and select to edit the rows from your current search, since the filters from the previous step will still be there. Enter title as the field to be edited. Select append as a type of edit. And in this box, add the message that will mark the product as discontinued. Don't forget to hit execute now to save your changes. For the last step, we are going to add a message for our customers in the description of the product, just to make sure everyone gets the message. Move to the bulk edit tool and select to edit the rows from your current search, since the filter applied in the first step will still be there. Input short description as the field to be edited. In the type of edit, select prepend. And now input the message you want your customers to see, following the example you are currently seeing displayed on your screen. This to make sure the text gets correctly displayed once the changes are applied. Congratulations, you have successfully discontinued your product, and alerted your customers that the item will no longer be available. That wasn't so hard, right? Download WP Sheet Editor from the link in the description. If you need some chat support, you can always visit our website. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss new tutorials.